Good morning, students. Today I'll discuss an assignment which I had given to students of second year on technical proposal, and the assignment was setting up an automobile industry manufacturing unit in nearby area where you reside. So the students of civil second year, they have written it very well. Therefore, I'm sharing it to each one of you so that you should get aware of how to write a technical proposal. So they have covered almost all the sections that is required to be covered in technical proposal, because as I have discussed in previous lecture that we have structures of proposal. Those are prefatory part, main body part, supplementary part. So in the prefatory part, we have title page, draft contract, executive summary. Okay, so they have written the title page. They have written project proposal on setting up automotive manufacturing unit. It has been submitted by Harikeshwar Nath Pandey, and it has been submitted to Registrar of Maharajganj in the month of December 2020. And the second structure of proposal is draft contract. Okay, in the draft contract they have written the project title, setting up automotive manufacturing plant. The name and designation of proposer is Abhishek Kumar Pal. Then CEO will be Gaurav Kumar Verma and director will be Manisha Singh. And the year of startup, they are starting the project in the year 2020, and their project location is in front of ITM Maharajganj. And the project completion time, they are taking 2 years time to complete the project. They'll be completing it by 2022. Now the third structure of a technical proposal is executive summary. So they have covered it. This proposal aims at manufacturing housing parts, electric car, LMV, HMV through latest tools. Okay, our company will facilitate market with latest automotive design and customers budget. So they are targeting the customer which are middle class. Basically their product is a customers range product. Then second is our body of proposal. In that they have covered the introduction part. We are selecting the area of Maharajganj because there are no automotive plant in Maharajganj. The benefit of buying our product is that it will be cheap in rate. They have already explained it, that their product is a customer's budget range product. Then there are a lot of people out there who are workless, so they'll be providing employment to the local people. By doing that they will be able to get manpower at a cheaper rate. Okay, that will be a benefit to the company. And they are also doing the social benefit. ठीक है, प्रपोजल का काम क्या होता है? सोशल बेनिफिट, एनवायरमेंटल बेनिफिट एंड इकोनॉमिकल बेनिफिट. सो जो सोशल बेनिफिट दे आर डूइंग इज they are employing people. So they are telling that they'll employ 5,000 people. Okay, now technical procedures. For mechanical construction work, it is first proposed to draw up models. Very good. For procedure, first of all we'll select best models, after which we will follow that model. Okay, they'll consult couple of auto ancillary companies and then they'll select the model for their project. Then they have estimated the cost. They have taken up all the cost incurring: land cost, registration cost, tool cost, electricity cost, manpower cost, total cost. Okay, and they have also calculated the payback period. Okay, and the cost benefit would be 500 lakhs they have calculated. And the conclusion of their project is they are manufacturing this product for mainly for middle class customers who should be able to afford the luxury, because car is a luxury item. So they have targeted low budget customers, and therefore the government should grant permission to this technical proposal. Okay, so they have written it very well. All of you please go through this and try to understand it. Okay, thank you very much.